welcome to Pro Ngcobo.
In the place.
Aren't we going to toast to that?
Yeah. No, there's nothing else to toast to that, bro. Galela, we have to toast to that. That's the first time. Second body count.
Yeah.
This year, yeah. Body count.
It's zero.
Guys, do you understand what it is here? It's only 3 weeks is this year, Pela.
3 weeks.
It's only 3 weeks, Tonyaka.
No. We don't believe that.
I'm so good.
Yeah? No, but body count. Be honest.
It's just now. So tell you what you mean.
Yeah.
3 weeks. One and a half.
What is okay? Wait. What is 1.5? Who knows? Because
Uthe uhamba sho
Uthe
ukuthi
uhamba. 1.5, right?
Half. 1.5 and half.
1.5.
Half. 1.5. Half.
Uhafu into kanjani ukuthi umuntu usuke yedwa. How do you describe uhafu? How is uhafu?
I'm a
Yeah.
person.
nami ngiyafuna ukwazi.
What is half a person?
I'm a person. I just find out when it's an egg. I'm a person.
What does that even mean?
But mina vele uhafu, mina uzero. Siyafana mina. Something.
Mina vele nje ngihamba ngo-1.
But guys, I am dating. So
What is
Yeah, zero. Mina siyafana. Yeah.
have you seen a girl from the club?
I've got.
Who you asking? Who you asking?
Have I
Who you
what?
asking?
Either a girl or a guy.
Have I? What's the question?
Have you smashed anybody from the club?
Have I smashed anybody from the club? Oh, I thought you said in the club.
Hey, what? Okay, that's another question after that one.
No, but from the club, no. In the club, nah.
Why are you saying about
The lies.
I've never done it.
The lies.
No. I'm just saying in the club. From the club now.
Well, I've had sex in the club, but with my partner, of course.
The lies, yeah.
No, it was my partner.
Yeah, obvious.
It was my partner, but we had sex in the club. Actually, we went to the bathroom because I thought I had sex in the club. We went to the bathroom.
Wait a minute.
Obviously, there are a lot of us.
Oh shit. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Galela, khona information
Not
engayithi.
right now. Let's
Now I'm getting into deep party again. A moment I do that you say you're gonna don't believe in young, but on this day or on this day or on this weekend, I've had the best moments of my life. On the previous year, we closed this.
No, that's right.
Yeah.
For me, it's hard. But for some people, I'm also choosing what I'm not looking for.
Oh yeah, sure.
No, so for some people, what I would say is, they can say, for me, I say to groove is like groove, boy. They have atmosphere at home. Now, I feel like I have already experienced it,
Yeah.
because I'm the one who's giving out that kind of experience to family.
Who's using out?
So people, bro.
Yeah.
It's game abazokwenza ukuthi bathi, hey, you know what? This is the kind of experience we got because they actually give like feedback and say, hey, kids, we had a nice time. We want to go out today. We want you to do that. And that's good for me, yabo.
Oh yeah.
No, really, because the young child who's the thing is like, basically we're building a community, bro, where we are one and we're growing ourselves, bro.
Community is way even bigger than
Bro, have you seen that? It's basically like a slogan, bro. Bro, it's a community. That's the slogan of the prosphuzaphi. It's a community. We are a community. Mangakina Sunday, yeah. I don't move what's in there. Awungibuza ukuthi wenzani unobani awungibuza ukuthi sini namhlanje siyaphi nani. There's just one question to ask one person. Nothing else, bro. So I have been providing that kind of experience like from way back then, and
way there's so many experiences. There's so many experiences that I can talk about. What would make
some of the people against me now. Almost each and every angle. Yeah, you coach and what we provide. Like here in Durban, I have seen, I'm never said, and I'm proud. We have a team. We built a community, bro.
I like the term community, bro. You know, it shows how big it is, and it shows how diverse it is. Because you see, family, it's only family like man with man. So when it comes to a community,
bro, all walks of life,
you get.
So for me, I do appreciate what we have done. That's why now I have seen what about they want more of us. And we want to provide it, bro. 2024, it's another year. And we have to now provide another side of the prosphuzaphi because I feel like Abangikola or this music or Abatapakai achieve if it wasn't for Abang support because I have seen people supporting me, bro.
We're going back to the term community.
Fucking community, bro.
I'm some horns.
We are fucking good, bro. We are fucking good. So, dude, much appreciated because the support and was it looking tall and through the years, bro. I'm cool. My name about that I can mention by name.
Yeah. Candice.
Hi.
Asking you pro now. So I was asking you pro.
I'm gonna ask
you the same question basically because you can use a well, you know,
yeah, nah, but we don't. Nah, everyone.
So umbuzo la engifuna ukubuza is ukuthi umbuzo engifuna ukubuza ne ukuthi community prosphuzaphi ne.
Do they know prosphuzaphi?
Do you know what's prosphuzaphi community?
Yeah, what's the definition of prosphuzaphi? You should be asking that shit.
So you heard it.
What's your definition of prosphuzaphi? From your experience, Ryan. What's your
Siyambonga nje ngoMonday izaqala zathi Wednesday
Kuyanyiwa ne.
sengicalculate ukuthi ngishaya
uvela shotha analela phela bethi ngebe ngubele
Uzosala nalani?
Yeah.
Oyezokadobani namhlanje?
Ikhona moment ongayisho ukuthi yabo le I had the best time of my life. You be prosphuzaphi community.
ngabona I thought I was special anganomkwenza bonke we went for a dinner first emva kwalokho sahamba leave ubona kongishiya ekhaya ukudukile
Gentleman vibes.
That is it for. Sakotura ke manje.
I like that. Yeah. What's your
It's
experience?
gonna sound like it's a brag now.
Like, it's a fucking brag.
It's gonna sound like it's a brag.
You're gonna brag about it.
Somehow,
Oh, it's fun.
no, somehow it's
all the time.
all these girls that I appreciate.
All the time.
Because it's a
Like,
community, right?
I would say 99, but this is like literally my second time Pro Ngcobo, but he always fetches me, he always takes me back home,
Yeah.
and
Safely.
I always feel special.
Right.
No matter how many girls are there, I always feel like I'm
You're special, right?
like, it's always nice. Yeah.
Like, engage with people. It's really so when I'm like,
Yeah. Don't get to talk to about it.
mina ungishaya amantombazane ungakantule nawo umuntu
Sesiyabhemayo manje, sesiyaphuza manje. Bro, siphuzaphi?
Okay,